Meycauyan, Meycauyan, Doctors, Hospital, Exhaust System. Fabrication of fresh air, blower. Fabrication of exhaust, blower. Testing of fresh air, blower. Testing of exhaust, blower. On-site installation. Sana all pogi.
Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako pero ngayon
Preparation of hangers for exhaust blower. Lifting of blower, body be careful. Welding process for discharge, dust, preparation of scaffolding for fresh air blower installation. Fabrication of platform for fresh air blower. Installation of platform for fresh air blower. Installation of fresh air blower. Installation of duct connector for fresh air blower. Installation of duct connector for exhaust blower. Tapping of fresh air duct into duct lines. Tapping of exhaust duct into duct line and discharge line. Thank you for watching.